What's up, everybody? Today on Arch Tips, I'm Jeremy. I'm back here with you. So we've created this this Kerf board, and that is self-tapered into the rib. And then I cut myself a piece of 4-inch wide OSB, and that's right here. And then I'm nailing that onto there. The reason that I'm doing this is you're going to have horizontal furring strips or vertical furring strips, regardless of however you do it. This is going to give you somewhere for your sheetrock to catch, somewhere for your furring strips to catch. You always want to use furring strips. Those furring strips, 1x4 will be just fine. You can put them 2 foot on center, 16-inch on center, floor to ceiling, horizontally down the ribs. You're going to be attaching those using self-tapping screws. This is a really great way, like I said, to add some support. If this wasn't here, this furring strip would just be floating out here. You could do some toenail into it, but why not rip a few strips and make it easy? Anyways, I'm here this morning. We've got frost on the ground. We're working hard, putting up a 12 wide, 20 long cabin. We've only got 3 days to do it. So check in a little bit later. This is Arch Tips with Jeremy. Have a great day.